It's still going.
Is it really?
I should let you go.
Oh. They got tremors going on there. Is that crazy? They had one down in Utah last week.
Yeah, that's.
Oh my God! I've grown up in California. Hang on.
It looks like it's slowed down.
Oh my God! That's the biggest earthquake I've ever felt in my life.
Okay, I see it now. So you can say, okay, you can say to Reg Sadler or Lori McNee, there's only 3 of us here. But if there's 60 people.
Yeah, we might want to.
I think it has a different mode for hosting.
Yeah, we might want to reconvene this, Stuart.
Hang on, you guys. Hang on, I'm coming back.
Let's see what she says.
Hang on, just real fast. My son just tried calling me. You guys, that was the longest lasting earthquake I've ever.
I saw the glasses in your paintbrushes shaking.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm seeing earthquake in Boise showing up here, Idaho, everywhere. So
oh my God.
I'm seeing felt in Boise right now. That's what I'm picking up.
That is the biggest earthquake ever.